How to kick people off your Netflix account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Safari. In the search bar, search for netflix.com. It will open up the official page of Netflix. Tap on sign in at the top right corner. Enter your email and the password of your Netflix account. And then click on sign in. There you go, you have been logged into your Netflix account. Now click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Head over to account. Well, in this page, there is no any direct option where you can kick people off from your Netflix account. So what you want to do is simply tap on change password. Well, you have to enter your current password and then create a new password. And then you have to click on sign out of all devices. And once you tap on save, this account will be successfully logged out from other devices. Then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can kick people off from your Netflix account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.